Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and today we will be doing French polygel nails. So as you guys can see here, I am using the full cover gel tips by Beetles, which I always rave about. I think they are really great quality and affordable, so that is always a plus. I will have them linked down below. So here I'm just using my medium grit buffing bit, and I am just doing this like I always do in every single video, which is to buff the nail and give it more of a plush look when it comes to the cuticle area. So I will just be performing that on all the nails. And thank you so much for my 100 subs. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys and all the love I always get down in the comments. Thank you very much. I am very grateful, and I couldn't be any more thankful for each and every one of you. Here I'm just grabbing some regular school glue, and I'm using this as a peel off coat. So I am just going to place it all on my nails. I'm going to let it dry, and then I will go ahead and apply my base coat, which is from Aston Beauty, which I definitely recommend their polygel kit. I will have it linked down below. So here we will start off by placing a bit of the Shimmer Polygel, and pretty much I am just using the 100% acetone as I always do for my polygel. It works great with the Aston Beauty. With the GERSHION, not so much, but I just work with what I have. So here I am just going to be dabbing down the polygel, molding it into the shape of my liking. And when I have the shape, I will go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds because I don't really want to lose its shape. I showed both ways that you can do it. The first way is by curing each step for the shape to stay intact. And if you're more of an expert, then you don't have to do that. You can just do it all in one and place it on the nail. But for me, I'm not that great, so I prefer to cure every step. And then at the end, what I do is I grab a clear polygel, I place it on the inside of the nail, and then I just cure it for 60 seconds. I use that as a glue for my nails. So after that's been cured, now I just go in with my white polygel and I mold it to the rest of the nail and I just cure it, and that's about it. As you guys can see, it's a very simple way that you can do French nails, because I know it's not the easiest thing. So I just wanted to come up with an idea that would be a lot easier for many people, and yeah, I think it works great. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So this is what the nail turned out. I really like how it looks. And now, like I said earlier, I'm just going to be applying a clear polygel. In this instance, I am using GERSHION, and I'm just applying it onto the nail as a glue, and then I just place it on the nail when I have it the way that I like, and then I just cure it. the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely one of my favorites. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.